Some snacks make you happy, but this one, it gives you a hug. A delicate wafer, light, crisp, and almost too shy to be noticed. This one is just like the store bought one. With a rich chocolate filling inside, it just melts in your mouth, yet leaves a wonderful flavor in your mouth. Oh, wow! Let's make some chocolate wafer rolls. I mentioned all the ingredients in the description. Just take all the ingredients and blend them together into a thin dosa consistency batter and use a non-stick pan to make these wafers. Just ensure the non-stick pan is not too hot and enjoy the wafers. Of course, I've used a choco spread, neutralized choco spread as filling. You could use Nutella, you could use any other filling what you like in the chocolate wafer rolls. Do make this, they're very easy to make. Enjoy it. You can just make them in 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, that's it. No fancy ingredients, no fancy equipment. You don't need too much of hard work to make this. Enjoy making these. One thing to note here is as soon as you take the wafer out of the pan, take a straw or any other pencil kind of instrument, and then you have to roll it immediately. As it cools down, it starts becoming crispier. So take care. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.